Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Google Pay bank account. So using the Google Pay app, open the Google Pay application or launch your Google Pay application on your smartphone. Now the next thing to do is go to your profile. You need to tap on your profile icon or the photo in the top right corner of the application. Step 3, tap on Bank Account. In the profile menu, select Bank Account. It may also be under Payment Methods, depending on your app version. You will see a list of your linked bank accounts, so you need to tap the bank account you wish to remove. So, for example, this one right here, I don't want to use this bank account anymore or bank card. So, what I'm going to do is I want to click this three dots at the top right corner. And you will see these options such as refresh, change, remove account, get help, send feedback. So obviously, what you're going to do is you have to click this remove account right here. Then you will be notified, remove account, the number of the bank account associated with this account will be deleted. So all you have to do here is to click continue to remove your account. And as you can see here, it's now removing. So after completing the steps, the bank account will no longer be linked to your Google Pay account. If you want to add a different account later, you can do so by following instructions to link a new bank account in Google Pay. So basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.